Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Bobby Stryker. I'm the founder of Flow Physique Factory here at 3F.Energy. I'm also the clinical director of Rescue.sg, a home visiting doctor service in Singapore. So yes, I'm an actual medical doctor and I've been practicing medicine for almost 20 years now, both in the UK where I'm from and also in Singapore. So I have a background in family medicine and I've been helping my patients lose weight successfully and keep it off for almost 20 years now. And one of those patients was actually me. So I've come through my experiences and I've learned a great deal and combined that with all the latest research and science out there to make sure it's all filtered out to give you a very focused and efficient program through Flow to help you get into shape, lose fat, and keep it off successfully. I've helped a lot of patients, my own patients, over the years, and I've learned a lot of things through helping them about yo-yo dieting, difficulties they've had, losing weight and still not being happy with their body image, how to keep the weight off and then be happy with it. And there's a lot of nuances to this, and all the research and everything that's out there, filtering it, removing the noise, cutting down to the essence of it to give you a very focused and efficient plan to give you sustainable results. That's what Flow Physique Factory is all about. It's about getting the results you want through real science-based, evidence-based, proven methods, and then being able to keep those results. This isn't going to offer you a customized 8-week plan. How can you offer an 8-week plan when everyone has a different starting point? It doesn't make sense. And this isn't about cutting out food groups, things which are not sustainable. We don't want you to look good and feel good just for a few weeks and then rebound. This is going to be an evidence-based approach to deliver sustainable results. And it's not going to be all full of science and jargon. I've taken care of all of that so you don't have to. This is just going to give you what you need to get the results you want. And you're going to have a good time doing it, yeah? It's going to be designed and planned around the lives of real people so you can customize your own plan. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get into it. Let's get into the Flow Physique Factory. Let's get into the Flow method. The Flow method manual is the blueprint that's going to deliver your very own Hollywood superhero body transformation. When there's so much noise out there, when you don't know who to listen to, you have an actual doctor for once telling you this is how it works. You're going to be enlightened, you're going to get clarity, you're finally going to understand how the body works and how you can use that to deliver the results that you've been trying to achieve for so long and finally keep them. It's going to cover everything from nutrition, from body mechanisms to training, marrying it all together to really give you the knowledge for lifelong sustainable results. This is it, guys. Without the Flow method manual, you simply won't have the guidance you need to put your nutrition and training together in a way that's meaningful. And that's what this does, using not only my experience over the last 20 years helping patients, but also the latest research, combining it all, filtering it out to make sure you only get the best advice possible. This is it, guys. You need the method manual hand in hand with the rest to get those results, and you can do it. And we're going to show you how, precisely but clearly, in a way that everyone can understand. Time for results, guys. So there you go, guys. For years, I thought I could only help my own patients, but now through Flow, I can help you wherever you are. You really don't need a celebrity personal trainer, personal chef, motivational speaker, nutritionist. Our plans have done all of the hard work, so you can do it all yourself. Your curated personal body transformation plan, it's all right here. And to complement that, we've got our newsletter and our social media pages and our blog where you can see all the latest information. We deliver it to you so you can continue your transformation journey. If you want to follow us, Please do so. If you want to see a different side of the team, check out our medical page, rescue.sg. You can see the behind the scenes medical activity and the doctoring stuff that we do visiting our patients. So I really hope you enjoyed the plans and the methods that we presented to you. Please send us your body transformations. We can't wait to see them. Take care, guys. We'll see you all soon.